NTRODUCING, the EMAX Tinyhawk III Plus Freestyle, a groundbreaking evolution in the world of micro FPV drones, engineered to push boundaries, defy expectations, and deliver an outdoor flying experience that rivals full-sized racing quads. Whether you're just stepping into the exciting world of FPV or you're a seasoned pilot looking for an ultra-portable powerhouse, the Tinyhawk III Plus is purpose-built to meet your needs. Weighing in at under 249 grams. This sub-250g marvel requires no registration in most countries, making it perfect for spontaneous flights in parks, cityscapes, or remote adventures. Its frame is crafted from a premium 3K woven carbon fiber composite, offering exceptional durability while remaining lightweight and impact-resistant, giving you the confidence to fly hard and recover fast. With a sleek and aerodynamic design, combined with an eye-catching designer pattern, this drone isn't just tough, it's also a head-turner. At the heart of the Tinyhawk III Plus lies a 12,025 7,000 kV motor setup, fine-tuned to deliver maximum RPM efficiency and paired with AVAN Rush 2.5-inch propellers for precise, high-thrust performance. This configuration allows for ultra-responsive control and exhilarating freestyle flight characteristics, making every flip, roll, and dive feel smooth and controlled. But it's not just about power. This drone also delivers a class-leading video experience. The analog version provides a reliable and low-latency feed optimized by EMAX's enhanced signal tuning, while the HD version features the revolutionary HD0 digital transmission system. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch image sensor, ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view, and up to 1080p, 100 FPS resolution, it captures crystal clear, low-latency visuals that make you feel truly immersed in the sky. To complete the package, EMAX introduces the Transporter 2 HD FPV goggles, redesigned with a removable HD screen, built-in DVR for recording, and compatibility with the new E8 Express LRS transmitter. The E8 controller features ultra-smooth gimbals and utilizes the ultra-reliable ELRS protocol, known for its low latency, long-range performance, and responsive command input. Together, these components create a seamlessly integrated system, allowing pilots of all levels to fly with confidence, precision, and full control. For creators and tinkerers, EMAX hasn't forgotten customization. The drone supports an optional 3-inch frame kit, expanding your possibilities for range and agility. Want to mount a naked GoPro or Insta360 camera? It's possible. Need to change battery configurations? Easy. Everything from battery plug protection to propeller installation has been designed with user-friendliness in mind. The drone is ready to fly out of the box. Available in both BNF and RTF formats, ensuring you spend less time setting up and more time doing what matters: flying. Whether you're diving through abandoned buildings, ripping through the trees, or capturing cinematic shots over landscapes, the Tinyhawk III Plus Freestyle is more than just a drone. It's your gateway to the world of immersive, high-performance FPV flight. Lightweight, powerful, beautifully designed, and packed with next-gen features, this drone delivers pro-level performance in a portable, affordable package that fits in your backpack. This is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in micro FPV. Welcome to the future of freestyle. At the core of this mini powerhouse is the EMAX TH12025 7000 kV brushless motor system, carefully tuned to maximize thrust and efficiency on a 2S LiPo battery. Paired with the AVAN Rush 2.5-inch 3-blade propellers, this drone delivers aggressive punch-outs, snappy flips, and precise control, making it perfect for both indoor flights and outdoor freestyle ripping. The Tinyhawk III Plus Freestyle is built on a redesigned, aerospace-grade 3K woven carbon fiber frame, not only ultra-lightweight but also incredibly durable. This updated freestyle frame can absorb impacts during crashes while maintaining its integrity, so you can push the limits without worrying about breaking your gear. The built-in prop guards add an extra layer of protection, especially in tight spaces. For analog pilots, EMAX has fine-tuned the transmission system to boost signal strength and reliability, even in environments with interference. For digital pilots, the HD0 version takes things to the next level. It features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 1080p at 100 FPS transmission, and a 155 degrees ultra-wide FOV for cinematic level clarity and real-time immersion. Whether you're cruising or diving, The video feed remains ultra-low latency and buttery smooth. The drone supports ELRS, Express LRS, one of the most advanced open-source control systems available today. With lightning-fast response times and long-range performance, your inputs are transmitted with near-zero latency, ensuring smooth and accurate flight control. Integrated flight electronics, performance without compromise. Flight controller. Blitz D25F7 AIO. ESC. Integrated 4-in-125A. Receiver. Integrated 2.4 GHz ELRS, BNF version. Gyroscope. 6-axis. Onboard OSD. Betaflight compatible. Battery and power management. Stock battery. 2S 550 mAh LiPo. Optional battery. 2S 900 mAh LiPo for longer flight time. Flight time. Approximately 6 minutes. 550 mAh. Approximately 10 minutes. 900 mAh. Charging. Supports USB PD and QC fast charging, charger not included. Glasses, goggles and transmitter options. Transporter 2 HD goggles. HD digital screen, built-in DVR, detachable for portable use. E8 transmitter. ELRS protocol, precision gimbals, low latency, high reliability. Video transmission range, HD 0, up to 15 km, FCC, 8 km, CE, SRRC. Gear mechanical and physical specs. Frame size, wheelbase, 112 plus or minus 2 mm. Motor model, EMAX TH12025 7000 kV. Props, 2.5-inch, AVAN Rush 2525. Weight, drone only, approximately 170 grams. Weight with battery, 550 mAh, is less than or equal to 249 grams. Weight with 900 mAh battery, approximately 280 grams. Max speed, 100 km per hour, manual mode. Max altitude, 3,500 meters. GNSS support, HD version, GPS plus SBAS plus Galileo plus QZSS plus GLONASS. Flight modes supported. Angle mode, stabilized. Horizon mode, beginner freestyle. Acro mode, full manual, pro mode. Custom PID tuning available via Betaflight. What's in the box? 1X Tinyhawk III Plus Freestyle BNF or RTF. 1X 2S 550 mAh LiPo battery. 1X USB-C charging adapter. 4X spare propellers. 1X prop tool and screw pack. Optional. Transporter 2 HD goggles and E8 transmitter, RTF kit. The EMAX Tinyhawk III Plus Freestyle isn't just a micro drone. It's a full-featured FPV platform compressed into a palm-sized beast. With advanced motors, a high-strength carbon frame, HD or analog video transmission, and next-gen control systems, this quad is ready to deliver a pro-level experience in a travel-sized package. Whether you're racing through a bando, practicing freestyle tricks, or just exploring new FPV horizons, the Tinyhawk III Plus is your ultimate flying companion.